Hello and welcome back to another iHeat video. Today we're covering how to reset an ideal boiler. If you're finding yourself in this position quite a lot, we have to reset the boiler, it may be time for a new one. So head to iHeat's website, fill in a quote, take a few photos, and we can be there the very next day to install your brand new boiler. Right, to reset your ideal boiler, this is what you have to do. So it is very simple on an ideal boiler. They have this nice restart button for us, which makes it very, very easy. You literally press it and hold it for 3 seconds until the boiler turns off and turns back on. You'll be able to hear the burner kicking in and it's starting up again, which is always good to see. Now, for whatever reason, the restart button isn't working or your ideal boiler doesn't happen to have one, there is always the fuse spur option, which is over here on the left. You turn it off, give it about 5 seconds, turn it back on, and you've now reset your boiler. Hopefully this clears any error code you had before and your boiler is back up and running. Any issues, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll get back to you during this week. But that is all from me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. This has been iHeat.